Have you noticed your electricity bill getting higher and higher every month? And every time extreme weather hits, a power outage can bring your entire life to a halt. As AI and data centers expand worldwide, electricity demand is surging at record speed. Rising electricity costs, frequent blackouts, and overloaded grids. All of these remind us that moving toward independent, off-grid solar energy is no longer an option, it's a necessity. So what can we do? Actually, there are several ways to achieve energy independence. First, solar leasing solutions. Many people consider leasing solar panels. Leasing companies usually handle the full installation, so you don't have to do it yourself. The upfront cost is often low, sometimes even zero. However, you'll need to pay a fixed monthly fee or be billed by the amount of power your system generates. The actual cost depends on your contract and your energy usage. For example, imagine your solar system has a lifespan of 10 years. You can either pay a fixed monthly fee or choose to pay based on the electricity it generates, about 25 cents per kilowatt hour. That comes roughly to $200 a month, which is like paying $200 to $300 each month to gradually own the right to use the system. Second, professional solar installers. Find a professional solar installation company that will provide you with expert design and installation. Currently, the leading brands in the solar installation industry are Sunrun, SunPower, and Tesla Energy. Of course, professional installers offer design, installation, and after-sales service, but these services usually come at a high cost. In their quote, labor fees are only part of the total cost. The rest is hidden in materials, permits, and service margins. The average all-inclusive cost of a residential solar system is about $2.5 to $3.5 per watt. That means installing a 10 kilowatt system would cost around $25,000 to $35,000 in total. Third, DIY solar solution. Today, as solar panel prices continue to drop, DIY solar systems are becoming more popular, offering greater flexibility and lower costs. Many brands now provide all-in-one solar solutions for DIY users. You don't have to worry about selecting components. Just tell them your power needs and they'll recommend the right kit for you. Next, I will take eco-worthy products as an example. Before you start, it's important to understand your household electricity needs. Knowing your energy usage helps you choose the right solar kit size and battery capacity. For instance, a typical household uses about 900 kilowatt hours of electricity per month. So here we'll select eco-worthy's 10,000 watt off-grid solar power system as an example. Hiring a professional installer could cost you up to $20,000, but with eco-worthy's DIY solar kits, you can easily save tens of thousands and speed up your system's payback period. eco-worthy provides comprehensive support, including detailed installation manuals, wiring guides, and video tutorials. You'll learn how to build your own energy system step by step, saving thousands of dollars and experiencing the satisfaction of creating your own power source. A single system can generate 20 kilowatt hours per day. Based on the average US electricity rate of 30 cents per kilowatt hour, you can expect to break even in about 4 years. After that, every day you'll be producing free, independent power, even if the grid goes down. That's true energy freedom. To sum up, leasing is convenient but comes with ongoing fees. Brand installers are professional but costly upfront, and DIY is flexible and cheaper but requires hands-on work. Your choice depends on budget, time, and willingness to get involved. eco-worthy helps thousands of users go solar on their own, from homes to RVs and off-grid cabins. Our systems are easy to install, reliable, and fully expandable. Whether you want to reduce your bills or gain independence, we make solar simple.